Two dads walk into a bar. One turns to the other and says, "That hurt." Cue the intro. Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. And that was not just any old dad joke. That was a dad joke from this dad. Because yes, I'm going to be a dad. And very soon, actually. Not this episode, but the next episode you see, I'm going to be a dad. And what does any parent need is for their baby to take a nap. So that's what we're making today. This drink is called Baby Takes a Nap. To make Baby Takes a Nap, you need 1.5 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of strong steeped chamomile tea, a 1/2 ounce of honey syrup, and a few dashes of Angostura bitters. Let's get started. So this drink, I'm sure is going to be really good. Hopefully not putting the baby to sleep, because that would just be irresponsible, unless they're teething. But it's going to be good for putting us to sleep once the baby sleeps, because really, that's what we need. And this one, I'm not pouring either. We're just guessing. You're a parent. It's been a long day. You just want to take a nap. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to help ourselves take a nap. Dry stir that a little bit. Whenever you add honey, you want to always dry stir your ingredients, because if you right away add that ice, it's going to solidify the honey, and nobody's going to be happy with that. It's going to stick to the bar spoon. It's not going to make a good drink. So do a little dry shake, get that honey incorporated, and then add your ice. It'll make you happy. It'll make whoever's drinking the drink happy. It'll make everybody happy. I think that'll do it. And then strain into our glass. And there you have Baby Takes a Nap. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. That is really good. The gin really complements the chamomile tea. The honey just kind of brings it all together. And the orange just gives it that little bit of zip that orange does. And they just bring it in to really bring a very unique flavor to this drink. And I guarantee if I drink probably just one of these, maybe, well, I know if you drink more than 2 of these, you're gonna take a nap. But once the baby goes to sleep, it'll put you to sleep. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this recipe, leave in the comments down below if you're a parent that also just needs a nap. I know pretty much here soon I'm gonna need a lot of naps. And if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.